Yo, get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
So this is what happens when you have developers. This is it. Isn't that right, boys? So what are you working on today then?
We're working on REAS, Retrieval Augmented Generation. So basically, we vectorize the inputs from the users and store it in database, and then we access similar vectors in order to make responses more robust.
Vertex AI, they also provided a small gadget to how the actual data, how the actual format should be, right? Is that you should actually, the actual JSON L will be each line, where each line inside the JSON file is itself a JSON dictionary format.
Yeah.
So, for example, here there's a key that's called context, and then there's another key called messages, where we actually have an entire list, which is an entire conversation between, an example of a conversation between a person and like a therapist, where like the person will be saying that he's having some trouble or he's having some personal issues, and then the therapist will give some advice or give some help, basically. So this is the actual, like, this is how like the data should be formatted. So now it should be formatted correctly. So now I'm trying to use this data to train, which should be fine.
The output from the database, and then you just ask the large language model, you like add the user query and the context.
So we're calling the function.
Exactly. So you'll basically just so for example, they put this, like, tell me about renewable energy trends, right? And then instead of just putting this into the large language model, you put construct prompt. Like, you just use the function and then put the prompt into the large language model. Yeah. Okay. I'll make the function and then for them to be able to use to output and add to the user query.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like more for the training.
Okay.
So at the minute right now we're just working on the integration of all of the different aspects of the system. So we are looking currently at getting the domain provisioned, and then the team at the back there are working on the large language model training. We are also looking currently at how we build out using React a web app as well as the website, and we're also working on making sure that the model itself can be fine-tuned with all of the information which we're starting to go through, all of the vectoring with the team at the back there. So we're on track, I think. So we're looking at making sure that everything is all kind of really connected today, and then afterwards we're gonna then move to production hopefully in the next few weeks. So watch the space. See you soon.